Hi, my name is Ahmad Nabil and I want to talk about the history of badminton. Badminton, also known as bulu tangkis in Indonesia, is a racket sport played by using a racket to hit the shuttlecock across a net. Badminton is the second most popular sport in the world, after soccer. Badminton was introduced into the USA in the 1890s and became quite popular in the 1930s.
A new game is sweeping the US like a fever. At least it's new to them. Keep it dark that we've had it for years. And at New York's Hippodrome, Ken Davidson on the far side and Hugh Forgy show the stuff badminton is made of. The game that combines the thrill of action with the slow grace of a ballet. If you want to be a badminton champion, you have to combine the dexterity of a dancer with the sleight of hand of a conjurer.
Although it may be played with larger teams, the most common form of the game are single, with one player per side, and doubles, with two players per side. Badminton is often played as a casual outdoor activity in a yard or on a beach. Formal games are played on a rectangular indoor court. Points are scored by striking the shuttlecock with the racket and landing it within the opposing side hull of the court. Badminton is played with the racket and a shuttlecock in a court with a net. The shuttlecock was actually originated from China, probably more than 2,000 years ago. The shuttlecock that they are using are also different from a modern shuttlecock. It is made out of feathers tied to a rubber or a plastic base. However, it is not played by using a racket. Instead, they use their foot or other parts of their body except the hand to hit the shuttlecock. The game was called Tijianzi. In the 1600s, a game called Battledore and Shuttlecock was known to be played. It was a very popular game played by upperclassmen in English and many European countries. Battledore and Shuttlecock was simply a game where two people hitting a shuttlecock backward and forward with a simple bat as many times as they could, without allowing it to hit the ground. Modern badminton can be traced to mid-19th British India. It was created by British military officer stationed there. A net was added to the traditional game of battledore and shuttlecock. As it was popular in the British garrison town of Pune, the game came to be known as Puna or Pune. This game was then taken by a retired officer who got back to England. It was introduced as a game for the guests of the Duke of Beaufort House badminton in England, where it became popular, hence the origin name of the badminton. In March 1898, Mr. Percy Buckley, secretary of the Guildford Badminton Club, organized the first ever badminton doubles tournament at the Guildford Drill Hall. The first All England Championship was held in 1899. The International Badminton Federation was formed in 1944 with 9 founder members: England, Wales, Ireland, Scotland, Denmark, Holland, Canada, New Zealand, and France. The first major IBF tournament was the Thomas Cup on 1948, which Malay won. Since then, the number of world events has increased within the edition of Uber Cup, World Championship, Sudirman Cup, World Junior Championship, and the World Tour Finals. Badminton is a relatively new Olympic sport. It was It was a demonstration sport at the 1972 Munich Olympics. Badminton eventually became an Olympic sport at the Barcelona Olympic in 1992. Only 5 countries have gold medal in the Olympics since badminton was introduced in 1992. They are China, Indonesia, Korea, England, and Denmark.